We were really interested in just completely redesigning the space. We wanted to make sure that it was a multifunctional space.
This has always been a center point on the SMU campus, this building. So students who are always coming in here, for food, gathering, but I think the way it's been renovated, now they're really spending time here. Gallery 1911 is in this Hughes-Trigg Student Center, right? So this is a hub of activity for campus. Students are a big customer or user of this building.
So it really starts with understanding our clients' customers, and in the university space, it is about recruitment, it's about celebrating their history.
We spent a lot of time with our architects and our construction designers and our Zell partners, conveying a lot of that feedback. We created opportunities for them to hear that feedback directly from our students and other people involved in the project.
So what we're hoping to do through Gallery 1911 is to tell the SMU story, and in particular, its rich heritage.
We wanted a solution that would allow us to celebrate some of our most prominent alumni and members of our community, but also speak to our prospective students, speak to our future.
We wanted you to know this was a student-focused space, and that everywhere you went, you also knew you were at SMU. This building could not be on any other campus, because everywhere you look, you see our colors, our logos, our slogans, our lyrics to our songs.
What I think is unique about our approach here is that the design team that creates the physical space puts a lot of thought and effort into the intent of the space. So it's not just about the graphic treatments and the color swatches, it's about the storyboard of how the space will be used and what that student experience or employee experience who has to maintain the space will be.
So I think the combination and the transformation of this earlier interior architecture to today's solution was transformative, and it is a completely different space within the context of the spirit of SMU's architectural history.
The most powerful element of Gallery 1911 is this interactive wall right beside me. It is highly engaging, it's visual.
We wanted you to walk in here and not think this was an academic building, right? Those would have a look and feel. We wanted you to know this was a student-focused space, and that everywhere you went, you also knew you were at SMU.
Well, I meet with students often, from Student Senate to subgroups, and every single group, I'm biased obviously, but every single group has brought up, without being promoted or asking the question, wow, Hughes-Trigg is awesome, and 1911 is a great space to sit inside of. So we feel like it was a huge success.